Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Matthew Nickerson. I'm going to be talking about Terra Luna and some things that have been happening recently in the crypto markets. Now, again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a money manager, so take everything with a grain of salt and invest at your own risk. A lot of people know on this channel, I talk a lot about crypto, I've talked about investing, and I do a lot of motivation as well. I'm a millennial, and I like to talk about those kinds of things. One of the things that has been very scary recently in the past week, as I'm looking at the charts right here, is the Terra Luna collapse and what it has meant for the rest of the crypto market. But what I really want to get at is this is a prime example of where new traders and people that are coming into the market, those that are trying to invest in this space, need to understand the risks associated with altcoins and all of these different coins that are kind of coming onto the market. What else is interesting is there is a lot of people that are investing in it knowing that it's collapsed, waiting for a rebound. Now, we don't know with what's going on with Do Kwon and the Tether issue and everything else, what might happen to Terra Luna. Right now, it has crashed to under pennies on a dollar. But the main thing that I wanted to get out of this is that I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist, although it's a majority of my portfolio. But I do want to say that when you start getting away from the Bitcoins and Ethereums that have, in my opinion, less risk than a lot of the altcoins, then you're taking on a huge amount of risk. So if you're new to this space and you don't really understand it and you're just throwing your money at any altcoin that's out there, that can be problematic. It can be huge profits, but it can also be one of the biggest crashes that you've ever seen. So I would be very, very careful in these markets. This is great buying opportunity. I've been eyeing at Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, and a few others that I'm sort of slightly adding to the portfolio. But for those that are new, that have not been in the space for an extended period of time and have not seen ups and downs and don't understand cycles, this can be very scary to somebody who might have put, life savings or a huge chunk of change into the markets only to get disappointed and sell off. For those that have been in Bitcoin for a long time, we know that this is a regular cycle. We hodl, so to speak, and we keep the coins that we have for the long term because we have a higher time horizon. For somebody that is putting all their chips in one basket or in a bunch of altcoins, this can be a scary moment, and to a new person, they might sell off at a loss. So I am just making this video as a way of really explaining my opinion on the situation and kind of what's unfolded. It's been a great buying opportunity for those that want to get into Bitcoin for the first time or bringing ETH back under 2K. But this is a very, very scary moment for a new investor who has no clue what they're doing and just saw a bunch of their money drop considerably. So be very careful out there in altcoins. To all the new investors and the new people getting into this space, I am still very much bullish over the long term. I don't really focus on short-term trades. So yeah, that's really the point that I'm trying to get at is, if you're new to this space, take the time to learn it and don't get crushed and wrecked by these types of situations. Diversify your portfolio so that you have a mixture of different things. Study them. Learn the potential use cases of smart contracts and NFTs and metaverse and all of the other things that are associated with some of these coins, and then make smart buying decisions. Because if you end up just putting all of your eggs in one basket, there could be a potential that you could get wrecked, especially in the altcoin market. Again, like, share, subscribe, and comment on this. I will be creating more content like this to come. Thank you all. Bye.